everybody knows.
I'm Jamie Sherrill, but people call me Nurse Jamie.
I'm the it girl. I'm the it girl.
I am the Beverly Hills beauty guru.
Guys, look who I'm here with.
Here at Nurse Jamie.
There she is.
And some might say a skin magician.
Oh, what? You're an artist.
For 20 years, I've been making people shine, one treatment at a time.
Thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Oh, thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Why go under the knife when you can come to me? We have more lasers under one roof than any other facility in Los Angeles. And now I'm on a mission to help deserving people start a new chapter and put their best faces forward, because there is no shame in the self-care game. When you look good, you feel good, you do good.
You better.
Transformations right now at Beverly Hills Beauty Ranch.
All the way up. Came to spread love.
I feel a little bit nervous. Is it gonna hurt? But I have seen Nurse Jamie's work. She is a pro, so I feel safe, and I know she's gonna help me look just beautiful.
All right, go ahead and put your hands on here. So this is 1,000 different infrared pictures, and it makes a composite, and we're gonna be able to view not only your body composition, but one of the things I really wanted to check on you, Ty, is your posture. Like me, I think you tend to carry a lot of your stress here. You can see, not only do you round your shoulders, you pull your head forward, causing you some issues here in your neckline. My patients, their jawline and the neck are becoming the same width. Literally, it's tension, like we're stressed out. We're like this all the time, or we're like this. Literally, if people just took the reminder to do this, I'd be happy. So I think if I do a little bit of treatments, and then honestly, a lot of this you don't even need me for. I'm gonna give you some exercises that you can do at home.
Okay.
And we're gonna work on our posture, and it's gonna make a big difference.
Okay.
The Fit 3D now complete, it's time to get Ty in my chair for some in-house treatments. Ty's treatment is the ultimate pampering session with a tiny bit of homework required to keep up the glow. I'm gonna start with the roller to help her neck and jawline look snatched. Then we're gonna use the Alma Clear Lift to help work on the puffiness and rejuvenate her overall complexion. A touch of filler will restore what I call facial harmony. And finally, the Tri-Lift will tighten the skin around her jawline for a flawless finish. All right, we're gonna give you some laser love. Here's your Gucci's. A lot of patients with dark skin think that you can't do laser.
Yeah.
But the genius part about this is that it's like completely under the skin, so nothing happens on the surface. This is what it's doing on a deeper level.
Whoa.
I'm obsessed with the Clear Lift because all they did basically was they increased the wavelength. It's so genius, and I should have thought it myself, but it does nothing, 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 and then it makes that puncture under the skin. So it's like you get that bam, you get the laser resurfacing, but you don't have to worry about pigmentation, which is typically a concern for darker skin types. And then where you mentioned where people are telling you look tired, so I'll be able to address that because that's under the skin.
Wow.
You ready?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
This feels extremely relaxing for me. Like I'm at the spa, just chilling.
So yeah, they call this the lunchtime lift because no downtime.
Oh yeah.
So it does help with brightness and does help with tightening.
Hook me up.
See, look at under your eye.
Whoa.
Hello. We're gonna do a little bit of filler on you.
Are the tears in the way?
No. Tiny little poke. So this is a hydrator. It doesn't add volume.
Oh, it's not bad at all.
No, it isn't, right?
No, it doesn't hurt or anything.
It's kind of a weird thing to be good at. Stabbing people, but I am. Filler's gotten a bad rap in the past, but I use a trademark technique called baby drop filler, which is artistic placement of filler using pediatric gauge needles. The way I approach filler is if I were a contractor, I'd do more restoration work. You wouldn't come to me to build an addition. All I'm doing is just restoring the balance because you sleep on this side.
I do. How do you know?
I know, I'm like a witch, aren't I? You have lipoatrophy from side sleeping. You see how this fold is deeper and your commissure is deeper and you're starting to lose a little bit more tissue here.
Yes.
Once we lose that, it's gone. So I tell my 19-year-old clients, like, listen to me now or pay me later. You know, right?
I'm never gonna sleep on my left side again.
Don't worry, I'm gonna send you home with one of my pillows. Your platysmal bands are so strong that it causes you to lose a little bit of tissue, and then this turns under, and then your profile is not as sharp.
Yeah.
I harp on everyone on this. I feel like it's an epidemic. This is one of the things that's happening because you've been going through so much stress.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Lord. I'm just kind of restoring the symmetry to your face, like giving you a little harmony back. Facial harmony, it's not about perfection, it's more about proportions. It's more about in keeping with your face. Someone might come in and ask for lips like Angelina Jolie, but that might look ridiculous on your face. So it's more about your features and keeping harmony within your own face. We're all little snowflakes. So I was gonna do a little tri-lift.
What is that?
It has radio frequency, it tightens the skin. So I was just gonna like carve out your jawline since that was your major complaint to
Please
me.
and thank you.
Yeah, you got it. Coming up. It's kind of like a workout for your face.
Okay.
So it's gonna strengthen your healthy muscles, help to remove inflammation.
It feels like another relaxing tool, actually.
Okay, let me see. Oh, hey.
Wow. Oh my God.
It's looking good.
Who
It
is
helps
she?
to- yeah,
Who is
right,
she?
look at that. That's what I want to see when you look in the mirror. This only took 30 minutes. It was
Very
no
fast.
big deal. I gave you some homework.
Yes.
You'll kind of work on your posture, just taking some time for yourself. Then I'll see you again in a few weeks to check your progress.
Yes.
Feeling good.
So I just finished my first session, so I got some homework to do. I'll keep y'all posted. I'm feeling really good. I don't feel any pain, any discomfort. I have my massaging beauty roller here, so I'm gonna make sure that I am doing my homework. And also, I have my awesome pillow here. About to put my bonnet on and call it a good night.
House in the hills. You know the deal. Play nice till you cross me. Attitude bossy.
It's been a month since Ty's appointment. I know she's had a lot going on with her family, but I'm hopeful she's been able to take a moment for herself and practice self-care with the tools I gave her. I mean, oh my gosh. I can't. Oh my gosh, Queen. Wow, look at you. Wow.
This process, it was relaxing and it was enjoyable.
You're
We're not
like,
gonna
I
mess up
can't.
all this.
Yeah, we're not. When you first came in, you felt tired. You said you had bags packed under your eyes. With a few little treatments and some pampering and doing some beauty homework, you can see what a dramatic change. The roller really helped to refine your neck area. The filler gave you back facial harmony, and then using the Beauty Bear helped to maintain that balance because the opening doesn't smush your face. The Tri-Lift then tightened the skin around your jawline, and the Clear Lift reduced those dark circles under your eyes. Looking so fresh. Just giving small little tweakments made such a difference. I think if we could just like get in the habit of routine self-care, and it doesn't have to be an expensive treatment. It can just be something as simple as like doing like at-home neck massage and just kind of changing her routine around. So
Why can't every day be a special self-care day?